Welcome to MyShopKit tutorial for pop-ups. On MyShopKit menu, go to Pop-up area, then click on button Create New Pop-up. Give your pop-up a name. You'll be taken to Pop-up Editor. Now you need to choose a goal for your pop-up. For the first example, let's choose Collect Emails. Then click Next. Now just choose a template you like. Click Next and you go to Design area. Here you'll see all elements of your pop-up. Hold the click before each element so you can drag it to reorder them. And to edit the content, click on the pencil icon here. Change the text at here. MyShopKit has many pretty fonts to choose. We can also change the font size and line height. You can see the change immediately to the right because MyShopKit editor is live preview. Here is text alignment and space between elements. After finishing, click the edit icon again to close it. You can add other various contents by clicking on button Add Element. This time, let's try Badge Element. Seems like it's too close to other elements, so let's change the space on top here. I'll drag it to the top. Easily remove an element with one click. Next is settings for hero image. You can set up its position or make it the background image of pop-up. Change to another image with this button Choose Image. Next, you can set up background color if you want. Okay, now let's move to Settings area. Firstly, you set up when the pop-up will appear after customer visits your page for a few seconds or immediately. Next is to decide who will see the pop-up. And here we choose the animation effect for how the pop-up will turn up. Next, you can turn on GDPR, especially if your shop is in Europe. You can change the text and the link in here. Now next to the target settings, you select pages for the pop-up to work on, or make it appear in all pages. Here is settings. When visitors close the pop-up, you might stop displaying it to them in a time. And here, for example, after visitor has subscribed their emails, you can set up to not display the pop-up again to them. Now next to the final step. Conversion settings. Here you send thank you message to visitors after they interacted. You can also redirect them to another link after that. This button lets you connect to third-party email services and keep your email list in them. We have all popular email services here. You just need to log in one. That's everything. Never forget to click Save and Publish at the top right corner. We can see the status turning to active. Now click on the icon Online Store to check the result. That's it. Now when you want to edit the pop-up, click here. Now I'll make another example where we have Win Here. Select the girl. Then we go to choose a template. And next is design area. Almost all the settings are similar in every girl. There are just few differences. With this girl, we set up Win here. This button can set up everything about each slice of the hue. Here we choose a discount code for slice. But before that, we need to create the code. Back to your admin dashboard. Click on Discount. Click on the button Create Discount. You can type the code as you want or generate a random code with one click. Here you decide the discount value in percent. Click Save. Okay, come back to settings for Win Here slices. You can edit the number in win ratio. The bigger it is, the more often that slice will come out as result. Save slices. As I said, almost every settings are similar in different goals. And next is settings area. Everything's still the same as previous example, so next to target area. Again, next to conversion area. Here you can test the Win Here. Or even change the confetti. Finally, don't forget to click Save and Publish. Now we can check the result by clicking on icon Online Store. Type your email to spin. We got a code and can quickly copy it. Back to MyShopKit's pop-up editor. Now I want to make another example for the girl collect emails and get social followers with discount. Click Next and choose a template. Next to the design area. There's no difference here, so I click Next. In settings area, we have one more feature, is discount code. The code will appear here after visitor has subscribed. Choose a code which has been made beforehand. Next, target and conversion are the same as previous example. Click Save and Publish. Now click on Online Store to see the result. Subscribe with an email. And we got the code. Now let's go to the next example. This time the goal is to target a link. Next and choose a template. Next, the design area, you need to edit the element button. Change the button text. and set the link which will redirect visitors when they click on the button. For example, I let visitors be redirected to one product. Next settings are the same. This time, I set the pop-up only work on homepage. Click Save and Publish. Now click on Online Store to see the result. Click on the pop-up button and will be redirected. Now let's go back for the final example. The goal is to get social follows. We choose a template. Design area is to edit the pop-up content. In short, every settings are the same. Finally, save and publish. Click on Online Store to see the result. Okay, so we went through all the pop-up types and goals. As you can see, there are various functions, but still easy to set up. And if you have some troubles, just click on button Remote Support on top. So enjoy MyShopKit now, the only one kit you need for pop-up and smart bars. I'll see you again with more upgrades from MyShopKit in the future. Thank you.